Did you know that you don't have to deep fry wings to make them super crispy? Let me show you how to bake them instead. Lightly press on the surface to remove excess moisture. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. Whisk this all together for even seasoning. Toss the wings in the seasoning mix to coat. Transfer the chicken pieces in a single layer to your greased pan. The elevated temperature is going to dry the surface of the skin, making it get crispier and more brown even faster. Flip them over so that we can brown the other side. Now we're going to bake the chicken for 15 minutes. As you can see, they're starting to develop a really nice golden brown color. Flip the wings over one last time to ensure a super crispy surface. I'm going to bake these for another 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, these chicken are beautiful in color and have a nice crackly surface. So much easier than deep frying.